Mimi Kirk, 84 years old. 7 tips from the raw vegan chef for staying youthful. Hello and welcome. Are you looking for ways to stay youthful and vibrant? Look no further than Mimi Kirk, an 84-year-old raw vegan chef who looks decades younger than her age. She has become an inspiration for people worldwide for her youthful appearance and vibrant energy. She believes that the secret to staying youthful lies in a raw, plant-based diet combined with a healthy lifestyle. Mimi Kirk's 7 tips for staying youthful have inspired people worldwide to take a holistic approach to their health and well-being. By following her advice, you can improve your health, increase your energy levels, and maintain a youthful appearance for years to come. Without further ado, let's dive in. Number 1. Eat a raw, plant-based diet. Mimi Kirk's first tip for staying youthful is to eat a raw, plant-based diet. She recommends incorporating a wide variety of raw fruits and vegetables into your diet. One of the key elements of Mimi Kirk's raw, plant-based diet is the wide variety of raw fruits and vegetables she consumes. By incorporating these varieties, you can be very sure that you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that your body needs to stay healthy and youthful. Also, choose organic, locally sourced produce whenever possible. This is because organic produce is free from harmful chemicals that can damage your health, and locally sourced produce is often fresher and contains more nutrients. When you're eating a raw, plant-based diet, it's especially important to choose high-quality ingredients to ensure that you're getting the maximum nutritional benefits. Don't forget to make delicious and nutritious smoothies and juices. Smoothies and juices are a great way to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables quickly and conveniently. Mimi Kirk recommends that you make your smoothies and juices at home so you can control the ingredients in quantity and quality and ensure that you're getting the maximum nutritional benefits. By following these simple steps and incorporating more raw, plant-based foods into your diet, you too can experience the incredible health benefits that Mimi Kirk has enjoyed for decades. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep enjoying this educational content. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is one of the most important things you can do to maintain a youthful appearance, and Mimi Kirk is a great example of how effective it can be. It's important to stay hydrated if you want to maintain a youthful appearance. That means you should be drinking plenty of water and herbal teas throughout the day. Why is it so important? Well, water helps flush out toxins from your body, promotes healthy digestion, and keeps your skin looking fresh and glowing. If you're struggling to drink enough water, Mimi Kirk suggests carrying a water bottle with you wherever you go. This can serve as a constant reminder to drink more water throughout the day. And don't forget about herbal teas. Green tea is a great option as it's high in antioxidants and has been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Another tea that Mimi recommends is chamomile tea, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. So make sure to incorporate plenty of water and herbal teas into your daily routine to stay hydrated and keep your body looking and feeling youthful, just like Mimi Kirk. Number 3. Regular exercises. One of the secrets to her youthful appearance is regular exercise. So let's dive in. If you want to stay youthful like Mimi Kirk, you need to make sure you're exercising regularly. That means getting up and moving your body every single day. By doing so, you'll be able to maintain muscle mass, which is important for staying toned and youthful looking. Plus, regular exercise can help improve your cardiovascular health, which is crucial for longevity. So, what kind of exercises should you be doing? The ageless Mimi Kirk recommends a combination of strength training and cardiovascular exercises. Strength training involves using weights or resistance bands to build muscle mass. By doing so, you'll be able to maintain a toned and youthful appearance. You can start with light weights and work your way up as you get stronger. Cardiovascular exercises like jogging or cycling are also important for staying youthful. These exercises get your heart pumping and improve your overall fitness levels. Not only that, but they can also reduce stress and boost your energy levels. By incorporating regular exercise into your routine, you'll also be promoting the production of endorphins. These feel-good hormones can help improve your mood and reduce stress, making you feel more youthful and energized. But the benefits of regular exercise go beyond just physical appearance. It has also been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Regular exercise can even increase lifespan and improve cognitive function. So don't wait any longer. Start incorporating regular exercise into your routine today. As we near the halfway point of our list, I genuinely hope you have been enjoying it. Please remember to click on the subscribe button and the like button and turn on the notification bell to see more interesting content like this from me. Number 4. Get enough sleep. One of the most important things you can do to maintain a youthful appearance is by getting enough sleep. You might be wondering, how much sleep do you need? Well, according to Mimi Kirk, it's important to aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Why is sleep so crucial for staying youthful? Well, during sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, which can help reduce the signs of aging. On the other hand, lack of sleep can lead to dark circles under the eyes, dull skin, and a tired appearance. So what can you do to ensure you're getting enough sleep? Mimi Kirk suggests creating a relaxing bedtime routine to help you unwind and prepare for sleep. This might include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calming music. She also recommends avoiding electronic devices for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can disrupt your sleep. Remember, getting enough sleep is not just important for maintaining a youthful appearance, but also for your overall health and well-being. So make sure you prioritize your sleep and aim for those 7 to 8 hours every night. Keep watching this video to learn more about how to stay youthful as we learn from the life of the ageless Mimi Kirk. Number 5. Practice mindfulness. Stress can take a significant toll on your health and appearance. It can contribute to the development of chronic diseases, as well as lead to skin problems, wrinkles, and dullness. That's why it's essential to practice mindfulness to help you stay youthful. Mimi Kirk recommends incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine. One way to reduce stress and anxiety is through meditation. Meditation involves focusing your attention on your breath or a mantra to promote relaxation and improve your mood. By taking a few minutes each day to meditate, you can calm your mind, reduce stress, and promote feelings of well-being. Another mindfulness practice that Mimi Kirk recommends is yoga. Yoga is a physical and mental practice that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It can help improve flexibility, balance, and strength, while also reducing stress and anxiety. Practicing yoga regularly can also help boost your immune system, improve sleep, and promote a healthy weight. In addition to meditation and yoga, other relaxation techniques like deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and visualization can also help reduce stress and anxiety. Incorporating the above mindfulness and relaxation techniques into your daily routine can help reduce stress and anxiety, improve your mood, and overall well-being needed to maintain a youthful appearance and improve your overall health. Keep watching this video to learn more about how to stay youthful as we learn from the life of the ageless Mimi Kirk. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. Number 6. Avoid processed foods. Avoiding processed foods is a key component of staying youthful, according to Mimi Kirk. Processed foods such as fast food, packaged snacks, and frozen dinners are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy additives that can be harmful to your health and appearance. When you consume processed foods, your body has to work harder to process and eliminate the excess salt, sugar, and other chemicals, which can lead to inflammation and other health issues. Inflammation is a common factor in many chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. On the other hand, fresh, whole foods are packed with nutrients that your body needs to function properly and maintain a youthful appearance. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help keep your skin clear, your energy levels high, and your immune system strong. By making a conscious effort to avoid processed foods and instead choosing fresh, whole foods, you can improve your overall health and reduce your risk of chronic disease. You may find that you have more energy, clearer skin, and a more youthful appearance. So, the next time you're tempted to reach for a bag of chips or a frozen dinner, remember that your body will thank you for choosing fresh, whole foods instead. Number 7. Take care of your skin. If you want to maintain a youthful appearance, taking care of your skin is crucial. Mimi Kirk suggests using natural and organic skincare products instead of harsh chemicals that can cause damage to your skin. When shopping for skincare products, make sure to read the labels carefully and choose products that are free from harmful chemicals. You can also take care of your skin by staying hydrated and eating a healthy diet. In addition to using natural skincare products and eating a healthy diet, it's important to protect your skin from the sun. UV rays can cause damage to the skin and accelerate the aging process. Mimi recommends using sunscreen with a high SPF when spending time outdoors and wearing protective clothing like hats and sunglasses. Make sure to prioritize your skincare routine and choose products that are gentle and nourishing for your skin. By following Mimi Kirk's advice to stay hydrated, eat whole foods, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, practice mindfulness, and take care of your skin, you can maintain a youthful appearance and improve your overall health. Do you find this video to be educational or practical? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Please remember to click on the subscribe button and the like button and turn on the notification bell to see more interesting content like this from me. See you in the next video.